This is the final video to fix the compile error and hidden module problem in Microsoft Excel. And if you're also facing this issue, stay with me because I'm going to share every possible way to solve it. I am from Rexish, and my goal is to make sure you fix this without confusion. Are you opening Excel and seeing this error appear before you can even start working? This happens when Excel loads a broken add-in, a missing reference, or damaged ActiveX files that stop the VBA system from running correctly. You may find many solutions on YouTube and Facebook, but most of them are hard to follow and filled with confusing steps. When I faced the same problem, I fixed it with a very simple trick that worked on the first try, and I will share all the easy ways so you can solve it too. First, this error often comes from old .exe files that Excel keeps using. Removing them forces Excel to rebuild clean files. Another common reason is a broken add-in that loads in the background. Excel also shows this error when a reference inside your VBA project disappears or gets corrupted. These issues may sound complex, but the solutions are actually simple. If you want me to create a step-by-step tutorial, comment below and I will make it for you.